Okay, this is the first purchase of 2022. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have the first unboxing of 2022 and I am so excited. I'm really sorry guys. I had to use some clickbait to get you to click on this video because I think it's gonna be worth it what we are going to unbox today, because like, you know, we have seen the 1 millionth Chanel classic flap, you know, being unboxed, and I think I really want to provide you with like special bags. And for everybody who's been following me for a long time, you guys know I have like a weak spot in my heart for very special pieces, and I think today is definitely one of those moments. I think this exact bag you won't find on YouTube, you know, so maybe the model, not this exact bag. So yeah guys, I mean, what can I tell you? Should we just start? So I have not looked into this box, but it was like glued up like crazy. So I was like, okay, you know, it's gonna take like 10 minutes to do that. So let me do that before we actually start recording. I hope I'm not gonna get like red lipstick on my teeth again, because like usually I wear like a nude lipstick, right? And yeah, just ignore it if I have red lipstick on my teeth. So okay guys, I mean, it is one of these brands, but believe me, it's gonna be worth it. Okay, so are we ready? First, let's do the unboxing. Then, of course, I'm going to give you modeling shots. And, oh, I think that's the wrong way. And also, I have another bag from this brand. And I will show it to you in comparison. Because actually, like the video where I found the first bag from this brand that I bought has reached like 100K. So, you know, if you want to go and check that one out, definitely do that. Okay, guys. So, here we are. Yes, you can already see what it is now. It is that brand over there. Okay, let's do this. So, this one seems to not come with a box. So I have to tell you guys, like, luckily I didn't have to pay the full price for this. So maybe that's why they didn't want to give me a box. But I've got one. Okay, so here we are. That's just an empty box. Let's put that away. And here we are, guys. Lanvin. Lanvin. I watched Super Daycop's video on how to pronounce this brand, and yeah, go check that video out. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is the first purchase of 2022. I think, yes. Hello. What? Yes, it is another Lanvin cat bag, and I'm gonna bring up my cat bag in a second and I'm gonna show it to you. And because I have the Lanvin Pencil Cat Box Bag, and this is the Lanvin Pencil Cat Hobo Bag, I think. So, you know, I know that Mel Sodera has this bag in like a beautiful blue, and like a blue leather. It's like a soft leather, I think like a box calf or something. But I saw this one and I was like blown away. I mean, are you as blown away as I am? I mean, we've all seen leopard print, right? For a while now, especially in like Dior designs. And I always say it, like, it so reminds me of like the nanny from, you know, the nanny from the 90s. I love that TV series so much. Like, I still watch it like once a year. And so it is very 90s, obviously, it's leopard print, but it has something. I think the fact that we have the Lanvin cat right there, and then it is actually like a leopard print, it is just so gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the back of the bag. It has actually a little bit less leopard spots right there. So this material, let's get a close up. This material is shearling, yeah, and it feels beautiful. It feels absolutely gorgeous. I once had a vintage Lady Dior in like a pony hair leopard print, but like I bought that, I wore that a couple times. I really enjoyed it, but I had to sell it again, simply because like it was it was absolutely like the fur was everywhere, you know. It was molting basically, you know. So I unfortunately had to let go of that one, even though I loved like the style of it. But now I have a leopard print bag back in my collection. I can't believe it. Do we love it? Do we hate it? I could imagine that a lot of people are like, oh god, Mina, you've absolutely went nuts. You know, this is crazy, this is not nice. I love it. What can I say? Okay, there we go. So let's admire this metal work. It is gorgeous. Camera, keep focusing. Good job. Oh, this one actually says Lanvin on top, because my box bag doesn't say Lanvin on top. I will show it to you. I hope you can see it there. It says Lanvin. Yeah, that is the beautiful cat, and it actually comes, so how you open it is basically, it's like a magnetic closure. Ooh, it's so difficult. So we have a magnetic closure right here. Can you see it? This one is basically magnetic. Okay, let me get the stuff that's in here out. Okay guys, so I think that was it. Let me try, I don't know if we can see anything, to be honest. I try my best, so let me describe it to you. There's like one card slot and one zipper compartment, so that's pretty cool. There we can see it. That's a zipper compartment, and there's a little card slot right here. And this bag comes with, there we can see the magnetic closure actually. Doop, closed. And this bag comes with, that's just paper, a strap as well, which is amazing. Should we put it here? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm hyped. I don't know, guys, how it is with you. Like for me, I'm very OCD, and when I get like one bag from a brand, like I love getting a second one. It's basically like I hate odd numbers. You know, I always need to have like an even number of bags from a specific brand, basically. Crazy, I know. So here we go. This is a beautiful Lanvin strap. So this is a thin one. The box bag actually comes with a pretty thick strap. I'm gonna get the bag in a second and then we can see it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I would say that's everything about this one. Let me get my box bag quickly. Okay guys, I'm back. This is a very like chill Tuesday today, so that's why like I felt like I wanted to dress casually as well. Okay, so here we have my beautiful Lanvin box bag, and this is the Lanvin Hobo Cat Bag. Gorgeous pieces, right? I mean, this is a lot more casual, obviously, and this is a lot more chic. And you can take it to events, to dinners, to, you know, whatever comes to your mind. This you can just like wear with this outfit basically everyday life. When you go into the city, meet some friends, have some brunch, lunch, whatever. Yeah, so let me show this to you. So this baby, like I said, see, it doesn't say Lanvin on the back of the cat. But then with, oh, I love her. With this one, there it says Lanvin on the back of the cat. So that is the difference. Yeah, okay, so I watched Dera's video on this bag, obviously, and she's right. It's a little bit... Can we hear that? Can we hear that? Is that back ASMR? Do you get what I mean? So she said it's quite annoying to hear that all the time. I actually like that sound. Yeah, I actually like that sound. Okay, let's get back. This was the ASMR part of this video. I like that sound, so I think for me it's gonna be fine. Yeah, so these are both bags. Let me give you some modeling shots with a new one. If you haven't seen the unboxing and modeling shots of this one yet, go and check it out, and I can link it in the description box below. Let me get rid of the boxes first. Okay guys, so here is the beautiful little bag, and I have to tell you guys, like, I'm just gonna wear that very casually. I mean, it looks quite nice, right? Let me know what you think. I love it. I already love it. I will wear it like this, just same as with this one. Like, I'm not really going to attach the strap to it. You could, you know, and wear it on your shoulder, but I just think it's an artwork and you should wear it just as a top handle bag. Same with this one. I will just, like, you know, take this little bag and go through London, walk around and just wear this as a top handle bag. Of course you could wear it, you know, on your on the crook of your arm. Love it too. But yeah, it's nice. It's perfect like this. However, you know, nothing stops you from keeping this inside your bag in case you have to be hands-free because you're going to buy some groceries or I don't know what. So I'm going to attach this on the one side of the bag here and then I guess on the other side of the cat on the other side so that it's actually balanced, if you know what I mean. Same with the Lady Dior bags. Yep, okay. So I think if you would attach both like behind the cat, it would like flop over. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Yeah, I mean, I'm not one for crossbody bags anyway, I have to tell you guys. It's an option, because you could, you know, just put it on, wear it like this. But yeah, I'm not one for crossbody bags. Actually, this one is adjustable. So maybe I should make it like a little bit shorter. But I don't know, do you wear your bags crossbody? Tell me how you like to wear your bags. I love shoulder bags, like a classic Chanel flap or so, you know, that you can just like put on your shoulder and you're good to go. It's like my preferred way of wearing bags, but I mean this is not a flap bag obviously. This is now the shortest drop, people. And let's see. So this is the shortest drop. Actually, I think you can nicely, yeah, you can wear it on one shoulder. So I love that. That's quite casual and nice as well. If you were to wear it crossbody now, oh, this dress is so long, but I love it. It's so comfortable. Let's do it the other way around actually. Yeah, let's do it this way around. I think that looks better. So, oh, this dress is so long, but I love it. It's so comfortable. Yeah, I mean, it's okay, right? Yeah, what can I tell you guys? That was it, I think. Let me know your thoughts, please. I absolutely love this beauty. And I can't believe I have a leopard print bag back in my collection. It's difficult to style, but we're gonna try it. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and I see you again very, very soon. Bye!